Nih,
Apa surprise? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubenai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïalang. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Jingïalang Pyrkhat kam, halo ka Jingshna, ya ka yung dorbar tauan ka jala hamau diang. Kalalong, hak arpo tarik ujumang aja pun riau, hapo ajing penya jong lompang ka yung dorbar tauan ka jala, Uthamas Sngewhun. Hani ka Jingïalang, lai simbentalang da usumbut menteri rangba, bopet yak tanat Parliamentary Affairs, uba perstun tensong. Haringkat ka Jingmut, project management consultant, bat ki officer na kitanat rekam baper, kontop yak tanat PWD, bat kiway.
We had a review meeting of the Assembly Construction Building, which was chaired by me, and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Parliamentary Affairs also attended this meeting, along with all the consultants and also the PMC and all the related departments like PWD, IT cell, NIC, and other departments. We are reviewing the progress of work of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building, which we are trying to finish according to the deadline that has been prescribed. So we have reviewed it and we have found the work progress is satisfactory. Recently, there were some posts and comments on the social media regarding the repairing work which was being done, corrective work which was being done on the roof of one section of the assembly building, which was I think was blown out of proportion, which is very unfortunate. I would, while appreciating the criticism or in a constructive way, we welcome all the suggestions and comments, but I would also like to use this platform and use this opportunity to request the public to refrain from posting without verifying the facts and without giving a bad name to our assembly building. That's all.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.